Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Shukla. Today I am going to present my topic seed health testing. Content, introduction, objects, seed health testing for fungi, detecting seed-borne bacteria, plant pathogens, detecting seed-borne plant various, detecting of insects and nematodes, conclusion and reference. Introduction. Seed health testing is the science of determining the presence or absence of disease-causing agents such as fungi, bacteria and virus, animal pests like earthworm, insect in the seed of samples. Objectives: to determine the health status of a seed lot, which in turn stabilizes the sanitary condition of the seed in commerce. Next topic is method of seed health testing for fungi: visual examination with or without stereo microscope. अब पढ़ते हैं डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ कर्नाल बंट ऑफ वीट. इन्फेक्टेड सीड्स हैव अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ब्लैक पाउडरी मास जनरली along with the structure. The next is determination of burnt of rice. Seeds are opened with the help of the blade and next have whole grains transformed into black powdery mass. Alternate producer paddy seeds are soaked in 0.2% solution of sodium hydroxide for 24 hours at 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Next is determination of loose smut infection in wheat. Soak seed for 24 hours at 20 degrees Celsius in sodium hydroxide and trypan blue. Separate the embryos by passing the soaked material along with warm water 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. अब हम बात करेंगे यूवी एग्जामिनेशन. टॉक्सिन्स इन फंगी गिव्स फ्लोरोसेंस अपीयरेंस. दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स प्रेजेंस ऑफ फंगी. द नेक्स्ट इज अगर प्लेट मेथड. आफ्टर प्री ट्रीटमेंट सीड्स आर स्पेस्ड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ 2% माल्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट स्टरलाइज्ड. अगर हम बात करते हैं वॉश मेथड की. सीड्स आर इम्ब्रेस्ड इन वाटर विथ अ वेटिंग एजेंट एंड सेक्ड विगोरसली टू रिमूवल फंगल स्पोर्स, हाइफाई एक्सेट्रा. Examination of limbed seeds. Seeds are immersed in water or other liquid to make fruiting bodies symptoms more easily viable or encourage in the liberation of spores. PCR method. It is a kind of molecular method. Specific primers are used in the method. The next is methods of detected seed-borne bacteria pathogen. Various methods are being developed. Some of the methods are simple and some are specialized, namely serological method. Growing out test. The growing out biopsy of a working seed sample involves the sowing of test seeds into seedling under conditions optimal for the disease development in glass house or closed environmental chambers. Growing out test has been successfully used for a large number of xanthomonadas and pseudomonadas. The next topic is growing out test. के बाद आता है indicator test. Working seed sample in sterilized with 2.6 sodium hydroxychloride for 15 minutes and rinsed with the sterile water. Next है culture method. By culturing the samples on the particular media, presence of bacteria can be observed on the media. अब हम देखते हैं methods of detected seed-borne plants virus. Biological method. By growing seeds. The seeds are examined and abnormal seeds are spared. Both normal-looking and abnormal-looking seeds are grow separately and the seedling are observed. The characteristic symptoms of the virus disease. Plant are kept free of insect vectors such as mites and whitefly. Serological test. Double diffusion test. Seed to be tested are soaked in tap water. Antirealism specific for suspect virus in a seed is placed in separated well. Radiation diffusion test. Producers consist of charging the wells with the seeds or seedling preparations being tested for the presence of virus. The next is ELISA. In the procedure, antiserum specific for given virus is used to coat of polystyrene plate. The next is same. Ground seeds are homogenized. Preparation is applied to the electron microscope grid containing an antiserum specific for virus in questions. The next is RIA. Antiserum is added to the radio-labeled antigens and allowed in incubate in a centrifuge tube. अब हम बात करने वाले हैं द स्वीट पोटैटो की. द रूट नॉट नेमाटोड ऑफ स्वीट पोटैटो. इंटायर सबमिटेड सैंपल इज एग्जामिनेड फॉर विजुअल सिम्टम्स ऑफ नेमाटोड इन्फेक्शंस. एंड इसके बारे में नेक्स्ट और टॉपिक बताने वाले हम. नेमाटोड इन्फेक्टेड ट्यूबर लुक अगली एंड डिसफिगर्ड. व्हेन ट्यूबर आर कट अक्रॉस द नॉट स्मॉल ग्लिस्टेनिंग राउंड पिन head shaped bodies are seen and such tuber are spirated and the result of reported. So thank you all of you listening my presentations.